How can you tell if a mattress has bed bugs? If you're waking up to mysterious bites or noticing strange spots on your mattress, you might be wondering if you have unwanted guests in your bed. Let's break down the signs to help you identify if your mattress has bed bugs. First, look for the bed bugs themselves. Adult bed bugs are about the size of an apple seed, reddish-brown, and wingless. They can be seen with the naked eye, especially along the mattress seams, on the tag, or on the wood frame of the box springs. Another clear sign is the presence of tiny dark spots on your mattress and surrounding area. These spots are actually the bedbug's fecal matter, which can look like clusters of dark specks. If you touch these spots, they will have a smooth feel because they consist of dried blood. Check for blood stains on your bedding. These stains can be minuscule and may appear in a linear arrangement, indicating where the bedbugs have fed on your blood. These stains can also be rusty marks on your mattress or bed sheets, especially if the bedbugs get crushed or squashed while you move in your sleep. Bedbugs also leave behind shed skins as they grow. These shed skins look like translucent bedbugs and are often found in the folds, seams, or buttons of your mattress. Since bedbugs molt 5 times in their lifetime, you might find several of these skins in areas where they hide. If you notice a sweet, sickly scent that's not very pleasant, it could be a sign of bedbugs. This odor is due to the iron in their waste, which oxidizes in the air and gives off a musty or rusty smell. Finally, while itchy bites on your body can be a clue, they are not the most reliable indicator. Not everyone reacts to bedbug bites, and these bites can look similar to those from other insects. However, if you combine this with other signs like fecal spots or shed skins, it's a strong indication of an infestation. When checking your mattress, make sure to look in all the hidden areas like behind the headboard, inside the holes for set-in screws, along wood creases in the box springs, and even under the base of the air conditioner or behind loose wallpaper. Bedbugs are good at hiding, so be thorough in your search. Remember, detecting a bedbug infestation early can make a big difference in whether you can salvage your mattress or need to replace it. So stay vigilant and take action as soon as you spot any of these signs.